Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add and then how you can delete the user code on your Kwikset 264 electronic deadbolt in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply make sure that the door is open and it is unlocked. Afterwards, in order to add the new code, you need to first of all enter your programming code. So after entering the programming code on the keypad, you just have to simply press this particular Kwikset button. So after pressing the Kwikset button, you just have to simply press 1 and then you just have to again press the Kwikset button. So it is going to look something like this. Now after doing this, you need to start entering your new 4 to 10 digits user code, and then in order to save it, you need to again press the Kwikset button. So if it is successful, the lock is going to flash green twice and it will also beep twice. The Kwikset 264 can store up to 6 user codes plus a one-time code. So that's how you can basically add the user code. Now if you want to remove it, what you need to do is you need to simply enter the programming code, and after entering the programming code, you need to again press the Kwikset button. Now previously, in order to add the code, we pressed 1, but since we want to delete the existing user code, this time you just have to simply press 2 and then you just have to simply press the Kwikset button. Now after doing so, you just have to simply enter the user code that you want to remove, and in order to save the changes, again simply press the Kwikset button. So if the lock flashes green and if it beeps, it simply means that deletion was successful. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.